let's get go. You guys, this hair is literally on my lap. Like, I don't understand the good I'm shook every time I am shook. Okay, snacks, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is the very highly requested update for my mink hair. So obviously this was the first time trying mink hair, and I feel like everyone was hyped with me. You guys are honestly so cute. Like, I stand you, you stand me, I stand you. Okay, anyways, so this is the update. I've had it for a while now, I wouldn't lie, and I've been wearing it. So I feel like this is going to be a really honest review on my overall experience. So the first question that everyone has asked me about it is, would you recommend that I buy it? 100%, 110%, 90 plus 10%, 80 plus 20%, 75 plus 25%. I'm saying buy this hair. Buy this hair. No, I won't lie. This is honestly the best hair. Guys, it's so soft and it straightens so well. Like, I'm very happy with this hair. The shedding is also still very minimal. The shading was definitely because the first time I tried it out, the shading was definitely because of the fact that I was, what did I do? I think I was trying to fiddle with it while it was wet or like damp, not fully dry or something like that. But definitely it was my fault. I was at fault for that. So yeah, 100% such good hair. It's very, very good hair, and I love how well the closure matches the bundles. But with that said, the closure does tend to lose the straightness quicker than the bundles do. I don't know if that's like because it's so soft, or maybe because of the way that I place it. Like, my hair is always over my shoulders, so I don't know, the curve of my shoulder, I don't know, but basically the closure will lose its straightness quicker than the bundles. Like, it'll just start curving in, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, it's sort of doing it now also, but yeah, and it holds the straighten really, really well. Like, I've only since I've had it, and considering how often I've worn it, I've only straightened this hair twice, and every other time is just me doing the frontal, just me doing the closure so that it could match the bundles. But the bundles themselves hold the straighten until I think the only other time that I had to actually straighten it was when I got rained on. So like, the hair obviously was dizzy a bit, but yeah, so it holds the straighten really, really well, and I'm really like, guys, go buy this hair. I'm telling you, it feels like it's gonna last a really, really long time, just based off of how soft and just durable it is. So the only con that I have actually is that I don't know, I think the best way to describe that in English would be to say that it knots, but not like intense knots, like at the nape of your neck, and just, yeah, but I mean, nothing like a brush through won't fix, but it does, like, that's definitely something that I noticed. It like gets a lot of knots, and but not that it tangles. I wouldn't say tangle is the right word. That's why I prefer saying knots, but also don't think of knots as like these clumps of knots just all over your head. Like, after a few wears you have to, because it just starts. But you see, also, it's not even that deep, but it is definitely something that I should mention, because I don't think I've experienced it with any other hair, because it's not just at the nape of the neck, it's like the bundles, like through the bundles. Sometimes you'll just find these random little knots, and it's like, come on, stop, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, this hair, guys, wow. I am a huge fan of mink hair, and they did actually send me their body wave hair, so I'll be making a video of that quite soon. But I'll speak on the body wave hair when that video comes. There is definitely a difference, and I definitely want to address that and also share a little something that might help you. But yeah, so stay tuned for that. I'm being so annoying because I keep touching it. Okay, I know that you guys were really looking forward to this update, so I'm happy I could give it to you now. And honestly, 100% go spend your coin. So all in all I will say to you guys is that the pros definitely outweigh the cons, and I fully back hair and beauty hair, and I fully stand, like fully, this is it. This is it. If I could choose a hair company to work with forever and never ever have to work with any other hair company again, it would be these guys, because yeah, it's that good. I mean, I don't want to speak too soon though, because I haven't tried all the other textures, but you get what I'm saying. Yeah, highly recommended, guys. Definitely go get it. If you have any questions and you feel like I didn't address anything properly, please do comment down below and I will be sure to do that. But I just generally want to speak to you guys about my hair videos in general. I just want to say, and this is coming from a place where I saw someone comment about how YouTubers don't speak honestly about hair, mang. And I know it wasn't coming from a malicious place, but you know, like just speaking what they felt. And I just sort of want to address it and let you guys know, when I review hair, it's 9 times out of 10 an initial review. On some, I just got it, I've barely spent time wearing it, and because I have so much hair to rotate, I don't get to spend that much time wearing my hair. So when I tell you guys about hair to try out, it is my honest opinion based on how long I've had it. So in the event that it doesn't turn out to be good, I definitely do try my best to mention to you guys. And especially when someone asks me, hey Snix, do you think I should buy hair from this and this company? I'll tell you, no, this is this and this, or yes, this and this and this. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, most of my reviews are initial reviews. And for in an instance where like hair is in high demand and highly requested, that people want me to make a review video, I will definitely do that. But I genuinely can't do that for every single video. I'm so sorry. There are so many wigs. There's no time for all of that. I'm so sorry. But another thing that I want you guys to know is, don't just use my reviews as your point of reference. Like for me, I'm just here to let you know about the company and let you know that it exists, and for you to check it out, and also for you to hear what I have to say about it at that time and place. But you need to go out and do more research. Do your own research. And I feel like the internet has made us so lazy, because we just want to, influencers generally, I feel like, have made us really lazy, because we just want to ask someone something and have it given to us on a silver platter. No, go do your research, because I can't be held accountable. I'm so sorry if this sounds wrong of me, but from an honest place, I can't be held accountable if something happens along the line but I haven't experienced it. You know what I'm saying? So for your own sake and for your own coin and pockets, it is advisable that you do more research outside of my videos. Watch multiple videos if you must. And beyond YouTube, go onto the site's website, check and see if they have reviews. Ask on Twitter. Like, just, if you're gonna be spending a lot of money on hair, I feel like you should do the work to know if it's worth it, because it is an investment, especially like with hair like this. Like I've said, with hair and beauty, it's hair that I feel like is gonna last a very long time, like 2 years. This hair could clock 2 years easily. So if you're gonna be spending money on hair that you want to last that long, you definitely do want to do more research. Don't just rely on one video. And that's just generally, like, even with other YouTubers' videos, you shouldn't just rely on one person's video, because we're definitely here to help you guys in making the decision, and we sort of show you like the real life version of the hair outside of what the website shows you. But do more just for your own sake. And yeah, that's the trick of the trade. That is really all that I have to say to you guys about hair in this video, and also this hair specifically. Again, 100% recommend this hair. Like, I have spent a lot of time wearing it, so I can truly, from a place of true sureness, like, I'm confident in saying that if you buy this hair, you will be satisfied with the quality, because it's good. Yeah, so your girl Snee has got some tricks up her sleeve, you know, all the time. This video is actually a giveaway. So I've been thinking about how I want to go about doing these giveaways, and for the most part I'm going to be giving away hair, so I figured I should just interject them in random videos, just generally, not just hair videos but other videos as well, but specifically hair videos, because the people who I want to receive the hair that I'm giving away are people that watch my videos, you know what I'm saying? That's why also it's not in the title, "Hori, this video includes a giveaway," because you need to genuinely be watching my content and engaging with it for you to feel like you should have one of the wigs that I've reviewed. Right, so the wig that I'm giving away in this video is this one. It is this one. It is the SVT hair, I think this is the SVT one. I will put it in the card somewhere for you guys to go watch the video. It's the one that I made the plucking video on. Yeah, this hair. Can't remember the length and all that, but the reason that I am giving it away, and this applies to all hair that I will be giving away to you guys, is because I don't have much use for it. It's just your standard, you know, 20 or 22 inch wig, straight, middle parting, you know what I'm saying? And I already have that. I'm wearing it right now, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like it's deserving of someone who's going to get the most use out of it, because I know it's just gonna sit here and rot on my cupboard, if hair even rots. So yeah, that's generally why I will be giving away the wigs that I'm giving away, because I don't wear them and it's not fair of me to keep them when someone else could be using them. So that is not to say that it's bad quality at all. Like, this is bomb. Should I wear it? Maybe I should wear it. Okay, fine, I'll wear it. This is the wig that's being given away. Have a good look, see at it. See what could be yours. I don't know what the rules of the giveaway are yet, so I'm just gonna drop them in the description box. But obviously you have to be a subscriber, like that's a given. Probably ask you to follow another one of my social media platforms and comment something down below, but it'll all be in the description box. Okay, so I don't want to speak too much about that. This is the giveaway wig. I'm gonna go back into my wig now. So I genuinely hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you appreciate the update, because I know that it's been highly requested. And also do not forget to enter the giveaway so that you can win yourself some bundles. Actually, it's not bundles, it's a wig that I made. I labored through that thing. I made it for you. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you all very much for watching, and I love you all so much. Mwah!